The excavator is digging at Camden's school. And Camden is watching the video. Ooh. What's it doing, Camden?
He's turning what?
Yeah, he is.
I have a toy excavator up there.
You sure do. Okay, here he goes. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, look at the little one coming in behind him. What's that little one doing, Camden? You went right by him, didn't you?
He's not going by.
He's not going by?
No. Oh, look. That window digger.
What's he doing with those trees? He's moving the whole tree out of there, Camden. That's pretty cool.